Testing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go! Alright, welcome to my channel. Okay guys, we are today riding up with the Aprilia Tuono Factory 1100 up to the mountain, and we will try to see how this bike handles around the twisties. The Aprilia Tuono is 1077cc Supernaked, and it is about 175 horsepower and about 89 Newton of torque. Let's give it a try around the corner. Today the road looks very nice. Aprilia Tuono is one of the long-standing Supernaked, best Supernaked in its class for the last, well, I would say many years, I think more than 7 years. Let's wait to check the car to be exact. Alright, no car. And the Aprilia Tuono is actually Aprilia RSV4 with high handlebars and a little bit of big engine components. I tell you, this bike really loves to corner. Thank you. And can see goes and goes and goes because the top of this bike is crazy. Woo! Crazy top. That's Kendrick I just passed on this Panagali. Going up the mountain with some of the guys today. Nice. Thank you. Okay, nice. The recorders. This bike is just amazing. It is amazing. Just turn and turn and turn. Man. There's another Tuono in front of me. Today there's two Tuonos going up the mountain today. Panagale and ZX6 and Monster 821. Cars, okay. We overtake. Thank you. Alright. As I was saying, RSV4 is a naked version, but the RSV4 Factory 1100, it is at least about 207 horsepower versus this 175. So it's okay. You actually can 175 for Supernaked. Just enough. But look at the go. Oh, goodness me. So nice. The adrenaline rush on this bike is out of this world. And let me take this. Thank you. And as I said, this bike has about 89 Newton of torque. It is happy around 6,000 to 8,000 RPM. And this bike comes with 6-axis Bosch IMU, in which you can see that I'm enjoying the benefit of the IMU. It has traction control, cornering, ABS, set at 2, if not mistaken. Really control. All the controls you need is modern superbike. The only thing it doesn't have is a wipe control, in which it allow you to go riding and whatnot. Oh, what is that? It's got a bump there. You saw that the traction control just saved me. I actually bumped into the indicators and the bike actually just flipped and it went bump. Fantastic, very fantastic bike. You want to layan, to play around, it's no issue. Another band, Cookie Monster. Playing. He's playing the bike. Alright, man. Fantastic, man. Alright. So the bike comes with 200 tires, sticky tires. You can see that playing around with the bike, pulling in, pushing out, how to control. Fantastic. This is what you call fun around the canyons. Woohoo! Oh, the adrenaline rush on this bike is just amazing. Okay. Currently I'm out of words lah, seriously. Going up the mountain, the twisties, going around, throttle. The throttle on this bike is amazing as well. It really twists your hand, and it will just follow what your hand says. You point the bike around the corners and the angle. Let's say you're coming to the corners, and you just point and shoot. It will actually just maintain, and the stability is just amazing. One of the best things about this Tuono, which I love, is how rideable it is. It's so, how to say, predictable. The IMU 6-axis IMU does not intrude in too much to your riding. It doesn't cut in. It's just so seamless. I think you saw just now the bike actually went up a bit because I hit one of the road indicators, and the bike actually didn't skip too much because of the cornering traction control, the ABS, the traction control. Wow, I tell you, this bike, if those of you who loves riding around the corners, occasionally tracks, I think this is actually a very good piece. Don't look at the 175 horsepower power on it. It's more than enough, trust me. And the naked itself, I tell you, it gives you more convenience. You want to go to mountain blasting around these corners here. It is giving you that satisfaction. And listen to the roar of the V4. Okay guys, nothing much to say, but lastly, the Aprilia Tuono in Malaysia, it's selling for 121,000. I think Go Brothers actually brings them in Malaysia. So the other competitor is seriously the Street Fighter, Ducati Street Fighter V4, in which that's about 115. I have a buddy of mine who has that. Hopefully one day we can do a shootout. Alright, so if everything's okay, I'll see you guys. Thank you very much. Ride safe and be good. Bye.